Hey guys, welcome back to Sharing It. Today we're gonna see about how to set your business account in the WhatsApp business. So let's see it. Before that, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button for more awesome tech videos and kindly press the bell icon too. For getting started, you need to download the application from the given link in the description. Click install button and you're ready to go. Wait till the downloading completes. After installation, click on WhatsApp Business. Click on Agree and Continue. Now over here it shows a pop-up about WhatsApp Messenger. If you're not in business, you should not use this application. Click on Cancel and again click on the Agree and Continue button. And you're ready to go. You need to enter your phone number and the verification code. After that, it will set up your WhatsApp Business account. Over here you need to enter your name. So let's type our name. That's Sharing It. But you need to be careful because you can set a name only once. You can't change it later. After doing that, it will set your WhatsApp Business account. That's pretty cool, isn't it? After setting your WhatsApp Business account, let's see what are the features of it. Let's click the three dots and see what's there. Here you can see new statistics, new order, new pending payments and order completed labels. You can also use the WhatsApp web client of the WhatsApp. So you can use WhatsApp from your laptop. You need to scan the QR code and you're ready to go. After that, you can also see the settings. In the business setting, you can set your profile and statistics. So let's see profile. In the profile, you can set your profile picture, your business address, your business category, your business description, and your business working hours. And you can also enter your email address and your website. In statistics, you can see how much messages you have sent, delivered, and how much messages have been read. You can also set messages like away message when you're away for business trips. You can click on and off, and also you can schedule your messages. You can also edit your messages as per your needs. You can also set greeting messages. When some new customer messages you, he will be greeted with your greeting messages. You can also click on and off to set it. Also, you can try quick replies. It's a feature to quickly reply your customers. You can add more quick replies to your menu. Just you need to enter the message and the shortcut and you're ready to go. And all the other stuffs remain same like the earlier WhatsApp. So let's see how the quick reply works. When you enter slash, it will show you your quick replies that you have saved earlier. I have saved my thanks message. By clicking thanks, it will load the text as it is and I can send it to my customers. So that's it guys about this WhatsApp business. Are you interested in it? Please set up your business now and increase your money and customers' trust in you. Till then, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Till then, bye.